Want to create your own hashtag on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to create your own hashtag on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening Instagram on your device. Now click on the plus icon from the bottom of your screen. Then select any one photo to post. Then tap on the next button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the next button, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now enter your hashtag. After that, tap on the OK button. Tap on the share button. And that's how you can create your own hashtag on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.